Hello friends, welcome to my channel English Sapling. I am your host Simar Kaur Guru presenting an interesting video on the difference between resume and curriculum vitae. So let's begin with the story of two boys who have the discussion on this topic. Please watch this video till end to gain better understanding in the bifurcation between the two.
Hello, it's good to see you, James. Same here, Grayson. It has been a long time since I last saw you. Yes, how are you doing? Yeah, I am doing well. It would be better if I have a job right now. You're looking for your job, but what about your studies? You don't know, Grayson, that I already completed my studies and graduated this year. Now I want to get a job. Oh, that's great. But there is a problem. Okay, but what is that? I don't know how to prepare my CV. Oh, James, it's not CV, that's resume. Resume? Yeah, I think that you don't know the difference between CV and resume. Yeah, what's that? I'll tell you the difference. The resume is a brief summary of personal and professional experiences, skill and education used for a job application. It's not the same as curriculum vitae, which provide a more detailed summary of professional and educational history. Oh, now I got it. Thanks for helping me out. Most of the job recruiters will ask for your resume and accompanying cover letter as a part of your job application. Because each job opportunity is different, the resume we use for each application should be slightly amended. Okay. Your resume is a living document. Thanks, you, Grayson. Also tell me about CV. Yeah, CV comes from a Latin word which means course of one's life. CV talks about entire education and professional career, including achievement, project, research paper. CV design in chronological order. Moreover, CV consists of candidate overall experience with one or more employers. Now, also tell me the format of resume. Yeah, sure, there are three typical resume format. 1. Reverse chronological. 2. Functional. 3. Combined. The reverse chronological format is the most commonly used resume format because it prioritizes your most recent work experience or education. The functional format is better suited to people who want to work in skill-based job or need to give particular emphasis skill because they might have gaps in their employment history or want to make a career change. Finally, the combination format is the middle ground, giving equal weight to skill and experience. Wow! Your amiable nature helped me a lot. You have turned the miserable topic into ecstatic one. How long should a resume be? It should be of maximum 1 page, especially when you are a student or having less than 5 years of relevant work experience. But one can exceed it to 2 to 3 pages when they have more than 5 years of work experience and many other relevant activities in the case of CV. Okay, so how to list the skills in resume? There are 2 types of skills. Hard skill and soft skill. Hard skill refers to teachable skills like technical focus, language skill and computer programming skill. Soft skills are not directly teachable but are built up over time through work experience. Like leadership, organizational or verbal communication skill. Thank you, my friend. You have solved all my queries and now I can apply for my job.
So, this is all about resume and curriculum vitae. Hope you all understand them. The format of the two will be provided in the following videos. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it and subscribe my channel if you have not done it yet. And make sure to hit that notification bell also. Thanks for watching.